Just got tricked by an advertisement. Alright, hello everyone. My name is Matt and welcome back to Nanjing, China. In today's video, I'm gonna ride a bike from where I currently live all the way downtown to, I think I'm gonna go near Zifeng Tower. So, almost right at the center of Nanjing. So yeah, let's go. So where I live is almost a straight shot right down to the center of Nanjing. It's just one road. You just have to cross over and go through a little alley up here and then go down one road and I'll end up right in the center of Nanjing. Children's hospital here. Normally when I go downtown like this, I just hop on the metro. It's like 4 or 5 stops. But we're leaving Nanjing in a month, and I've always kind of wanted to make this video. Well, when I say always, I mean for the last few months. We just moved over here in January. Not sure if you can see in the distance, but that's where I plan to go. That's the tallest building in Nanjing. Zifeng Tower. This is the Fujianlu metro station. photos near Xiaopeng's. Oh, wait. Here's the Hongqiao DJ station. A little loss in here. Alright, so this is the next subway stop, and it's crazy. There's been a construction site over there for years. I used to go over there and teach a class right behind over there, like years ago. I don't know, 2017, 2018. It was a lot. I don't even know if it was under construction back then, but it's been a lot. So I've stood on this corner many times, and usually I used to make a right here because I used to live right down there, maybe like not even a mile down the road that to the right. All right, this is it. This is Gulo. Gulo Circle. You can see there's the Feng Tower, the tallest building in Nanjing. And yeah, keep going that way, end up at Shinjuku. I am actually going to make a right up here. Maybe I'll film a little bit longer, just in case there's someone watching this video who is still watching and appreciates me making a right up here. Leave a comment and let me know. So I'm heading back to the area where I used to live, over near the corner of Shanghai-lu and Beijing-Xilu. Here is Gulo, the drum tower here. It's a park now. What's happening here? Is there a fire or a fire drill of some sort? Not sure what's happening. So nothing. So Nanjing University is right to the left. Check my channel. I made a whole bunch of videos over here. I have a video in the neighborhood to the right. I have a video in the neighborhood to my left. I have a video if you make a left on Shanghai-lu up there. I got a whole video walking in that direction. I got a whole bunch of videos on my channel. If this is your first time watching my content and you've made it this far into the video, if you have, I'm sure you love Nanjing, so probably appreciate those other videos. Go ahead and leave a like on this one and subscribe. I plan on bringing more content. Yeah, so I lived right next to this power grid building for a few years. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. Really hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, hit that like button and yeah, leave a comment below if you have anything to say, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.